Every now and then, a new cruise ship comes along that breaks the mold, a pioneering concept that rewrites the rulebook of cruise ship design. MSC Seaside is that ship. Seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor areas, it connects you with the ocean like never before, bringing you closer to the sea while following the sun. Circling the ship down on Deck 8 is a unique waterfront promenade leading to this atmospheric aft pool. As you can see, there's plenty of space for relaxation, not to mention superb ocean views. And speaking of views, the glass-fronted elevators with non-stop access from Deck 7 to Deck 16 offer a whole new perspective. Now here's a feature that will make a splash with fun lovers of all ages. One of the largest, most interactive water parks at sea with 5, yes 5, exciting water slides. For the first time on any cruise ship, you can enjoy interactive slide boarding technology. And for an extra thrill, take a look down as you rush out over the side of the ship in one of our high-speed racing slides. And if that didn't thrill you, you will be amazed by our zip lines. Now let's take a look inside. 6 dazzling Swarovski crystal staircases will take you straight into the ship's stunning reception area. Rising majestically over 3 decks, it's just one of the many glamorous venues on board MSC Seaside, where you can meet up and relax with friends and family, listen to live music, and enjoy a delicious cocktail. And when it's time to get some rest before the next day's adventures, you'll find MSC Seaside is equipped with a wide variety of comfortable, stylish staterooms. These stunning MSC Yacht Club suites offer the ultimate in cruising luxury, boasting a separate living room and a balcony with a private whirlpool bath, as well as an alfresco dining area, so you can enjoy the refreshing sea breeze as you savor your meal in intimate tranquility. There is a choice of different stateroom layouts to suit every requirement. MSC Seaside has one of the highest ratios of sea view balcony staterooms of any cruise ship. Some of these also have their own private whirlpool bath. Now, doesn't this beauty whet your appetite? Then feast your eyes on one of the many elegant dining venues on board. This one is the Asian Market Kitchen, designed with award-winning chef Roy Yamaguchi. It all makes for an unforgettable culinary experience. And this is Seashore, one of the 2 main restaurants, where you can enjoy breathtaking sea views while you dine on a sophisticated blend of freshly prepared international specialties. And after dinner? Well, how about a trip to the theater? With room for 940 guests, this high-tech venue is the ideal place to enjoy spectacular Broadway-style shows produced by an award-winning company. And that's only the start of a packed program of fun and entertainment for the whole family to enjoy. If you want to take advantage of all that MSC Seaside offers, but at the same time place special value on privacy, then the MSC Yacht Club is the exclusive choice. Located on the prestigious foredecks of the ship, it's like a private club where guests enjoy their own personal butler and concierge service around the clock. It has its own a la carte restaurant, its own panoramic lounge, and of course, its own solarium, bar, and private pool. Well, our tour has come full circle, back to the most amazing waterfront boardwalk that surrounds the ship, bringing you closer to the sea than ever before. If you like what you've seen, then join us in the Caribbean on MSC Seaside, the ship that follows the sun.
I